Cardio exercises at home for women. 1. Heel to butt running cardio exercise. This cardio exercise for women is very simple. You just need to stand and run in place and let your heels touch your butt. 2. Basic push-ups. You get into a push-up position, lower your knees and bend your legs up, arms straight. Pay attention not to let your feet touch the ground. Only your knees can touch the ground at this time. Next, you hold this position and push up. Use your hands to lower your body slowly but still keep your back straight until you feel the chest muscles stretch, then stop 1 beat. Next, you raise your body upwards, return to the starting position and exhale. 3. Cardio exercises for women, deep exercises. You start by standing with your legs straight and reaching your arms straight up to the sky. Next, you bend so that your hands touch the floor and your legs remain straight. You use your hands to crawl forward until your body is straight horizontally, the plank movement in yoga. Then reverse back to the upright position. 4. Cardio exercises for women running to raise the knee. The action name says it all. To do this, stand up straight, feet shoulder width apart. Next, you run in place and raise your knees as high as possible. Then you slowly increase the speed to build endurance. 5. Cardio exercise jumping arms swinging high. This is one of the exercises in the high-intensity cardio series, capable of burning calories very effectively. First of all, you stand comfortably upright. Next, you jump and spread your legs wide, and at the same time hit your hands above your head in an arc. Then, you bring your legs and arms back to the original position. Do the movement as quickly as possible, buddy. 6. Exercises to stretch arms and legs for abdominal exercises. This exercise will be very good in burning belly fat because the movements all affect the central area. To do this, you should lie face down on the floor, arms and legs straight. Next, you stretch your arms and legs, then stretch your left arm and right leg high, the other hand and leg still straight and not touching the floor. Switch sides. You do it continuously for 30 to 60 seconds. 7. High jump on the spot. You stand up straight, feet shoulder width apart. Slowly bring your hands behind you while lowering your body to create momentum. Next, you swing your arms forward and jump up as high as you can. Landing with toes. The faster you jump, the higher the better. 8. Jump on the spot with your knees bent. You try to jump up and bend your knees as much as possible to do this cardio exercise for women. 9. Leg crunches. You sit on the floor, bend your legs so that your knees are close to your chest, your arms are extended, you are behind and your elbows are slightly bent. Next, slowly lean back, trying to keep your body steady while straightening your legs and lifting them off the floor. Then you retract your legs and do the movement again. 10. Climb the stairs. This exercise is very simple and easy to do. Moreover, you can keep this habit when going to work or waiting for the elevator. Climbing stairs is a very familiar activity, but if you do it regularly, the effects of the exercise will be great. You can get a number of health benefits such as physical enhancement, body improvement such as bigger butt, slimmer thighs, etc. 11. Basic squat exercise. Squat in the right posture is a cardio exercise for women that helps to effectively burn excess fat, improve the sexy butt, enhance health and body strength. You do this cardio exercise for women as follows. You stand up straight, feet shoulder width apart. Keep your face straight, your eyes looking forward, your head up naturally, neither too low nor too high, your hands clasped or parallel in front of your chest. When lowering, you combine pushing hips and buttocks back, putting weight on heels instead of toes. The spine is now naturally straight, keeping the chest open, shoulders wide and abs contracted. The knees need to be extended to the sides so that they are aligned and do not see the toes. You should pay attention not to let the knees be too narrow or exceed the toes. While lowering your body, you breathe through your nose deeply and slowly, and when pushing up, you exhale quickly through your mouth. During the up and down movement, remember to keep the movement of the knee joint, to practice toning for your third round. While pushing up, squeeze your glutes for maximum effect. 12. Cardio push-ups for women. Push-ups or push-ups are cardio exercises for women that work to tone the whole body, but endurance training and fat burning is very good for women. If you only have enough time in one day to do one exercise, then this is the best choice.